Hello friends, welcome back to Easy Creations. In today's tutorial, let's make these cute eco-friendly newspaper pots for growing seeds. It's a great idea for growing your own seedlings as these newspaper pots are very easy to make. So do watch this tutorial till end and don't forget to subscribe my channel if you like this video. So friends, our cute newspaper seed pot is ready to be used. In few minutes, you can turn newspaper into a perfect container for growing seeds. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. If so, don't forget to subscribe my channel. And you can see now that I have grown in my pot a seedling which is now 1 week old and ready to be transplanted. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.